Alright, this is going to be the first video of a lot. I just picked me up a Farmall 400. This is a 1955 model with a full hydraulic do-all loader. Now it's not pretty, at least not yet. But it works, it runs, it drives. Loader works pretty good. I do have the tins, they're sitting over in the corner. We'll get to those later. But person that it came from used it for scrapping or salvage or something. And he's got this here little air compressor set up. See the tank right there. You got the compressor back there. That's actually ran off a pulley on the belt pulley. I mentioned this was a do-all loader, and the actual reservoir for the loader is this upright right here. There's a little fitting on the top down in there to go through. You got your filter there, and then you even got the wrench for on the cylinders here. Loaders ran off a PTO pump, and it got the fast hitch. I did get a blade with it. Still have to go get that. That'll be not till spring. But like I said, it needs work. The loader will probably be taken off and gotten rid of. So this would be the perfect opportunity to do a video that I've been thinking about doing for when I first get a tractor home. But with winter setting in, that won't be till next year. So since this thing doesn't have any lights, I don't know if I'll get a video of it moving snow. I'll try, but it's going to have to be during the daytime. But stay tuned, there's going to be a lot more on this. So, till next time.